Hello.
Hello.
I'm Jared. This is Isaac. And there's Levi. And we are the husband and sons of Christy Grant. So get us all in there. So we wanted to just make another quick video to show you the new Nova warmer. And I've got the Stargaze too. They're both behind me there. You can see them.
I
I'm gonna
see
turn them off just to show you the difference. And I keep them back here because Isaac is 3 and likes to mess with stuff.
I wait else.
So this is Stargaze. This came out last year. It was the biggest selling
Oh,
warmer.
the white.
Okay, hold on. Biggest selling warmer in Scentsy history.
Turn off.
And you want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Hurry, turn it on.
I'm turn on and I see more.
Hurry, son. Hurry. Other way. Okay, look. Now, I want to show you. Okay, put it down, buddy. There's like a 3D effect you can see, and I'm going to go kind of quick. But you can see it there. Let me move this one back and bring the other one up, okay? Let me move it. So that's Stargaze. Nova is the new one. It just came out. And you can order either one of them from my wife's website, buyandsell.scentsy.us. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the light.
I white.
Go ahead and turn it on. So go to the website, buyandsell.scentsy.us, and look for Nova or Stargaze. Very similar, the different shape, obviously. This is more like a vase, I'll say, whereas that's more like a globe, simply round. This has got a darker dish, and that one has more of a translucent, clearish dish. Now, either one of them, they're going to vary, so whichever one you get may not have the same colors as this. It varies because of the production. There are no two that are the same. So this one has a lot of purple and orange and blue. And again, you can see the 3D effect right here on the table. So that's the Nova. The other one is the Stargaze. They are breakable. They are glass. Just like any Scentsy warmer, the wax goes in here. The bulb is in there. I don't know if you can see it on the video very well when it's on. There's the bulb. And that's Scentsy. That's a 20-watt bulb, which is a Scentsy bulb that you can get. It comes with one if you need replacements. You can get them on the website also. Please like the video, make any comments, subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Okay, anything else? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, Levi.
Bye-bye,
Okay, we're going to go ahead, do the button.
Bye-bye.
He's going to do the button. Do the red button. Do the button, son.